Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 1935, maximum number of words you can type. So you might already know that I often create videos related to Java J2 interview material as well as LeetCode solutions in Java. So I already created a playlist for LeetCode solutions which has over 65 problems solved and explained. So please take a look. This channel will be helpful for you if you are preparing for Java interviews and coding interviews. So please subscribe to the channel. The subscription to the channel will be really helpful for the channel. So please subscribe. So let's look at the problem now. So there is a malfunctioning keyboard where some letter keys do not work. All other keys on the keyboard work properly. Given a string text of words separated by single space, no leading or trailing spaces, and a string broken letters of all distinct letter keys that are broken, return the number of words in text you can fully type using this keyboard. So basically you can imagine that you have a you have a like computer and you have a broken keyword. So some of the keys are not working and now you have to find out if what words you can completely type right with those kind of keyboard. So this is the example that they have given us. So let's take this example over here so I can explain you how we can solve this problem. So this is the text we want to type, and we want to check, what are the words that we can type with our broken keyboard. So the broken letters of our keyboard are A and D. So two letters are broken. So what we will do is first we will take this string and we will just get a array of the strings from this string using we can use a split right here. I'll just show you. So here we are doing the split of the string and we will get the array of words and we will iterate through each word. So for example, first word we are getting is this word, right? Hello. So we will just iterate through the first word, hello. So this is our first word, and what we will do is we will iterate through the broken letters one by one at the same time, and we will use a string dot in strings has an index of method. So we will convert this letter A into a string and we will check if this hello has that string A actually, right? So we don't have A here in A string in this hello, then we will go and we will use another letter of broken keyword D. We will check if a D string is present in hello. So both are not present, so we will say that hello word we can type with our keyboard, right? So we will just say hello we can type in our broken keyword, because it has does not have any broken keys, right? So this one is we will count it as one, so we are good in hello. So now we will take another word, world, right? World is our another word, and we will again check if a string is there in the uh, string world. So it's not there, then we will go and we will check if a string D is there in this string world. So we find D is there, so index of will return us 0 1 2 3 4. So index of the present string character, right? So 4 it will return index of. So we will know that we cannot type this word basically, so we will just return 1 as our output, right? So so one more time, we will just read the array of strings and we will iterate through the array here. So first we will check hello, and we will iterate at the same time. We will check if any of the broken word is present there in this string, right? If it is there, then we will just increase our counter, and at the end we will run return the count, right? So here we are, main thing is we are using the strings index of method. So let me show you the implementation quickly. So first we got the array of words here, and then we just created a count called as, this is kind of a flag, we are going to use here, and result is the counter actually that we are going to increment, right? So broken word is 0. So what we will do is we will read the word, right? W, we are processing this W word first, and we will check, we will iterate through our broken letters one by one, right? And here we will check if our word W has that broken word here, right? So string dot value of, and we are going to convert the character I from broken letter to a string, right? So basically we have converted this A letter into a string here, right? And we are checking if that A letter is contains in this W word, right? So if it is there, then it will be more than -1 we will get. In that case we will just say broken word is equal to 1 and we will break out, right? So here we are checking out. So after this for loop we will check if our word is has any broken characters. If it finds anything, we will just increment our result by 1 here, right? So again we will go and read the next word. Again we will set the broken word is equal to 0 here. If we find any uh, uh, broken characters in this letter, then we will in this word, then we will just say broken word 1 and break out actually. So here the index of method will give us -1 if the if that string is not present in that. Otherwise it will give us the index of the present character, right? So that's how the solution works. So let us make sure this solution is working fine with the these are all the test cases they have given us here. So let's just run this quickly. So as you can see, the code is working fine and we are getting correct results here. So this solution is like a much more cleaner, rather than we are doing like a lot of characters and all that, like looping. So we can just use the index of method of the string, and then we can check, we can convert the each character of the broken letters. We can convert into a string and we will check if it is present in the our word. So this is very clean, so I just thought that it will be let's just so our solution is getting almost 82% 2 ms and 43 on memory, so which is pretty good. It's a clean solution for these kind of problems getting asked typically in the initial round of interviews and coding interviews, or even online coding interviews, whiteboarding, they will ask you these kind of questions. So you should know how the index of method work of string. This is a very important method. It is like a very handy method to solve these kind of problems. And it is like a lot cleaner code, right? I mean, rather than you read like character by character of each of the character from the word, it is much cleaner, this solution. So if you like this solution, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. Also click on the bell icon so you will not miss any future videos. I often create videos to help people, preparing their Java interviews, so it will be helpful for them in their Java interviews, coding interviews, as well as we discuss like what are frequently asked data structures algorithm questions in Java. So please subscribe to the channel. It will be really helpful for the channel, and thanks for watching the video.